Stretch yourselves all the way up and bend sideways. And feel the lengthening and ascend the other side. And release. Now index fingers are all the way up. Shoulders and shoulder blades are also up. Keep pushing the floor to the center of the earth. And you start hitting the floor with the heels. Each time when you hit the floor, try to find a vibration in the whole body. And put the awareness on your calves and faster. Awareness on your knees, on your thighs, on your hips, on your stomach, on your chest. Slowly arm down. And head roll. Other way around. And we connect to the bounce.
To the deep down.
And the heels go up and down and relax your groin and relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Open the right leg 4 times to the side. Close. Left. We continue. If you feel confused to step sideways, just stay on the place and keep bouncing. And keep breathing. And arms are free, so you don't need to copy my arms. Now just 2 to the side. And keep breathing and keep listening to the music.
It's the queen sitting here and I don't stop. It's the queen sitting here and I don't stop. It's the queen sitting here and I don't stop.
Just 1 to the side.
It's the queen sitting here and I don't stop. It's the queen sitting here and I don't stop. It's the queen sitting here and I don't stop.
We start kicking forward and relax your ankle and keep bouncing. and back first. All the negative energy we kick out. We catch with the bounce, and feet are parallel hip distance apart, and keep the upper body straight, and you start bending the knees to the same direction of the toes. Keep the pelvis quiet and keep listening to the breathing. Make sure the knee goes to the same direction of the toes. And slower, go down, up, again. Two more. Now we go up, stand on the toes, and keep the Achilles tendon long and slowly down. We go up, breathe in. Last one. I hope you are warm now.